The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wayne County, Missouri, north central Butler County, Missouri, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Wapapalo State Park, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Wapapalo State Park and Wapapalo. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Butler, and Wayne.